three columns, particulars, amount and amount. So in the case A, first case says that, so particulars, two amount columns. What is the actual HRA received? First case 4,000. Okay, 4,000 into 12. Yes. So HRA received all of you having question, right? Question is there. Question is not there. I have not written question. You ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ಲ question ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಥವಾ question ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಇಲ್ಲ? Okay, take down. Find out. Hold on. If you know the question, answer easier. A photo ಕಳಿಸ್ರಿ. ಎಲ್ಲ easy. Okay, what is the question? I'll tell once again. Find out the amount of HRA which shall included in their income under the head salaries in each of the following cases. There are two cases here. One is case A and case B. Case A says basic pay is 24,000 per month. DNS pay at 10% of basic pay. Then commission based on fixed percentage of turnover, rupees 10,000. Okay, 10,000 for the whole year. That is entire year. They have given commission based on the fixed percentage of turnover. If they are given based on the fixed percentage of turnover, we need to consider. Then house rent allowance 4,000 per month. Rent paid by the assessee is 4,800 per month. So house is situated at in Bangalore. So Bangalore alli ide, metropolitan city illa. Okay. So in this case 40% of the salary we need to take. Okay. And it consists of DNS pay. That is DNS pay we need to take 10% of salary. If it is DNS allowance anta kottidre terms of employment anta irbeku. Okay, clear, right? So actual HRA received less exemption under section 10 subsection 13A and rule 2A says there are three cases here. One is least of the following we need to take. Andre first one, excess of rent paid by the excess of rent paid over 10% of salary. Andre avaru rent 10% of salary ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ರೆ that amount. Okay. Second one, or HRA actual HRA received or 40% of the salary, whichever is less is exempted from the HRA calculation. Getting right? So First one we need to write HRA received, that is 4000 into 12. HRA received 4000 into 12. How much? About 48,000. Okay. Then let's exempt under section 10 subsection 13A and rule 2A says, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವಾಗ ನಾನು ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ 3 ಬರೆದಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸೆಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ 10 subsection 13A ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೂಲ್ 2 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೋತೀವಿ. So here first one, excess of rent paid over 10% of salary. So we need to find out salary now, correct? ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ salary ಯಾವ್ದು. Okay, so note ಅಂತ ಬರೀರಿ. ಇದಾದ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ leave some space and write down note. Note 1, salary for the calculation of HRA. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಪಿರಿಯಡ್ ಸರ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕಲಿ ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ನಿಂತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Salary for calculation of HRA. Okay, what is basic salary? Basic pay?
24,000.
Okay. Basic salary 24,000 into 12.
2,88,000.
2,88,000. What is the BMS pay? 10% of basic.
28,000. Ma'am, sir, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದು.
BMS pay 10% of basic. What is 10% of basic?
28,800.
Okay. of basic 28,800. That is 2,88,000 into 10%. 28,800. Okay. Next, commission based on turnover. If they have given commission based on turnover, we should take. So, commission based on turnover. That is 10,000. So, total amount of salary becomes, total amount of salary is
3,26,800.
3,26,800. Note outside. In this case, suppose if they have given DMS allowance, terms of employment, if they have given, we need to take. Otherwise, no. In this case, commission based on turnover, if they have given, we need to take. Otherwise, no. So keep in mind, these two things are mandatory. We should not take if they have given DNS allowance along with that terms of employment. Terms of employment, if they have given, we need to take that. Otherwise, no. Okay. Next, 3,26,800 into 10%.
32,680.
Okay. Getting right? If rent is greater than this, the difference amount we should take here, excess of rent paid over 10% of salary. What is that amount? 24,920 or second one, actual HRA received. What is the actual HRA received? 4,000 into 12. 48,000. Or third one, he lives in a Bangalore, that is not a metropolitan city. So 40% of the salary. 40% of the salary. Salary amount how much? 40% into 3,26,800. 1 lakh? 1,13,720. Which is least?
24,000.
Whichever is less. Is less. 20? Yes, 24,920. Deduct. You get taxable portion of HRA. Taxable portion of HRA. 23,080. If you have doubt, you can ask. Easy that, but you should know when we should take and what type of DA, whether it is a DA or a DNS pay, or if it is a rent. If it is less or more, excess of rent only we need to take, otherwise nil. Okay, ಆ ಥರ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Yesterday it was connected actually. Net connected. Good morning. Sorry for the interruption because of the net connection. I'm unable to access it. I'll tell once again. I have solved one problem. Yesterday's problem. So case that is case 1, the first case. You have question, right? Is this board is visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'll explain this one. Yesterday's problem, that is case A problem, which says basic pay, DNS pay 10% of basic pay, commission based on fixed percentage of turnover, then house rent allowance given and rent given. So how you need to find out? HRI received, please keep quiet. HRI received is 4,000. Okay, exemption amount, excess of rent paid over 10% of salary. We need to find out the base salary for this purpose. So basic salary is 24,000 for 12 months. Okay, then so 24,000 DNS pay, if they have given, we need to take. If they have given DNS allowance, terms of the employment, if they have given, we need to take, otherwise no. Okay. So here DNS pay, they have given 10% of basic. So 2,88,000 into 10%, 28,800. Then commission based on turnover, if they have given, we need to take, otherwise we should not take. So commission based on turnover, if it is given, then we need to take as 10,000. So total salary becomes 3,26,800. So here excess of rent paid over 10% of salary means rent is 4,800 into 12 becomes 57,600. 10% of salary means 3,26,800 into 10%. That is 32,680. So 32,680. So what's the difference? 57,600 minus 32,680 gives you 24,920. Okay? Or actual HRA received 4,000 into 12, 48,000. Or 40% of salary because house is situated at Bangalore. So we need to take 40% of salary if it is situated at Bangalore. If it is situated in any metropolitan cities, we need to take 50% of the salary. So here in this case, 40% of salary, 40 into 3,26,800 gives you 1,30,720. So which one is less? In this case, which one is less? 24,920. So yeah, taxable portion of HRA is, you need to deduct 48,000 minus 24,920 gives you 23,080. This is case A. Yes. Section A, section B. I thought he is telling something. Okay. So, shall we move to the next case? Yes. Okay. Case B says, listen. Case B says, basic pay is 55,400. DNS allowance they have given, but they have not given anything like not under the terms of employment. They have not given, so we should not consider. So DA at 40% of basic pay we should not take, nil. Next HRA 5,000 per month. Okay. Then rent paid by the assessee is 5,000 per month. City compensatory allowance not included in this, we should not take. So city compensatory allowance also nil. We are calculating basic salary. Okay. Next, house is situated at Delhi. So 50% of the salary. Okay. So How much? 6,64,800. Then they have given DNS allowance, not DNS pay. So DNS allowance not under the terms of employment. DNS allowance not under the terms of employment. Nil. We should not consider. If it is given under the terms of employment, we need to consider. So here it is nil. Next, city compensatory allowance. It is not includable in the HRA umbrella. Okay, so not includable. So nil. Total salary becomes 6,64,800. Okay. Then what is HRA received in this case? 5,000. You need to make next particulars amount. Adralle baribadi case B. Then particulars 2 amount per. Okay. So 5,000 into 12, 60,000. Okay. Next, exemption under section 1013A and rule 2A says excess of rent paid over 10% of salary. What is the rent paid by him? Rent paid 5,000 into 12. Into 12. 60,000. Correct? Okay. Then, what is the 10% of salary? 6,64,800 into 10%. 66,480. This is more? Rent is more than this? No, right? We should not take. So, in this case, nil. If it is more than this, the difference amount we should take. If it is less than this, and the rent paid is less than the 10% of salary, we should not take anything, only nil amount. Next, our actual HRA received 60,000, and here it is house is situated in Delhi, so 50% of salary. So house is situated at Delhi, so 50% of salary, 6,64,800 into 50%. 3,32,400. Whichever is less means? Nil amount. Ida less na? Zero amount is less, right? Nil ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತಗೊಳಕಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಲ್ಲ. Nil itself is considered as whichever is less ಅಂದ್ರೆ. Okay, nil ಅಂದ್ರೆ full amount ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ. Nil exemption ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. So taxable portion of HRA is 60,000. Is this clear? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಕೇಸ್ A ಕೇಸ್ B ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿ. ಕೇಸ್ A ಅಲ್ಲಿ DNS ಪೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು, ಕೇಸ್ B ಅಲ್ಲಿ DNS allowance ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು, and they have not given terms of employment, so we should not consider it. Second case commission ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ, commission based on the turnover ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು, but here they have given city compensatory allowance. It should not consider for the HRA. So in all cases we should not consider CC. Okay. After finding out salary, we need to find out HRA based on the 3 exemptions. Exemption ಯಾವ್ಯಾವುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ rent paid 10% of salary, whichever is excess of 10% ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ. Rent ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇದೆ, 10% salary is more. So the amount is nil. That means 0. Next, HRA received is 60,000 as we have done 50 into 12 and 50% of salary because house is situated at Delhi. So 6,64,800 into 50% gives you 3,32,400. Whichever is less means nil. So that we need to deduct from exemption from HRA. So actual HRA paid or taxable portion of HRA is 60,000. Okay. So allowances what I am doing, one by one I will be solving. Okay. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ next ಎಲ್ಲ allowance ಅನ್ನು combine ಮಾಡಿ we'll do problems. One problem we'll do with respect to allowances. Okay. Any doubts? Pardon? Delhi, Chennai, Calcutta, Mumbai. 4 cities. That is metropolitan. Other cities, if it is Agra, yesterday we have done one problem. If it is Agra also, if the Agra is situated near Delhi, we should not consider 20%. And then Bangalore, either where places is 20%. Delhi, Mumbai, Calcutta, Chennai. Any doubts? If you have any doubts, okay. Take down next problem then. This is asked in June-July 2019 for 7 marks. Take note, June-July 2019 for 7 marks. X, a resident of Ajmer, Ajmer comes north state, North Indian baratte, Ajmer. Yeah. Resident of Ajmer receives 1,92,000 per annum. 1,92,000 per annum basic salary during the previous year 2019-20. 2019-20. Full stop. In addition, he gets 19,200 per annum. 19,200 per annum. 19,200 per annum as DA. Continue ಮಾಡಿ. DA forming part of basic salary. For computation of all retirement benefits. So we should consider this. ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರಲ್ಲ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ರಿಟೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ಗೆ DA ತಗೋತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆರ್ ರಿಟೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ, ಬಟ್ ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಡಬೇಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ DA ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ತಗೊಂಡು. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈನ್ 7% commission 7% commission on sales made by him. made by him, bracket, in the bracket, sales made by X, sales made by X during the relevant previous year is, relevant previous year is rupees 86,000, rupees 86,000, close the bracket, and 24,000 per annum, and 24,000 per annum. Now per month calculate madangela, annum e kottidare, okay, per here they have it, 24,000 per annum is as HRA, sorry, as HRA. He however pays 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 rupees 21,500, rupees 21,500 as rent, as house rent, 21,500 as house rent. ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು per annum ಅಂತ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. Okay, 21,500 as house rent, full stop. Determine the quantum of HRA, exempt from tax, Okay, so I'll explain what it is. X is a resident of Ajmer resident. That means 40% of salary barutte. Correct? Next, he receives 1,92,000 per annum as a basic salary. Basic salary kottidare 1,92,000 during previous year 1920. In addition, he gets 19,200 per annum as a DA. So DA ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 19,200 we should add. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಟೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ ಗೆ they have given, it is considered for the basic salary for computation of all retirement benefit ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So that's why we have to take DA 19,200 add ಮಾಡಿ, plus commission 7% on sales made by him. So ಇದರಲ್ಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಟರ್ನ್ಓವರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಟರ್ನ್ಓವರ್ they have given 86,000, sales made, so 86,000 into 7% gives you 6,020. We need to add to the salary. So total salary you get the 2,17,220. After that, first case HRA received 24,000. Then excess of rent paid. So 21,500 he has paid the rent. 19,200 is the 10% of salary. Correct? Basic salary 10% of it. So total I'll write down. Okay, take down salary for the purpose of computing house rent allowance. So what's the basic price here? Basic salary is 1,92,000. Basic salary 1,92,000 retirement benefit. Getting right? So retirement benefit we are adding DA. So 19,200. Then they have said the commission received. Commission 10% of 7% of turnover. Turnover, how much turnover they have sales? 86,000 of 7%, how much? 6,000? 20. Total basic salary 2 lakh 17,000 220. Okay. So what is actual HRA received? ಎಷ್ಟು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ HRA? 24,000. Okay. And excessive rent paid over 10% of salary. What is the rent paid by him? That amount we will take it as annual 21,500 rupees. Okay. 10% of salary 2,17,000. 220 into 10% how much? 21,000 720. 22. Okay, 720. 21,500 is less than 21,722, right? So we should not consider here. It is nil. Getting right? Is this is less? This is more, right? Even in 200 rupees, if it is difference comes, also rent is less. Correct? So we should not consider. So take it as nil. Then actual HRA received or what is actual HRA received? 24,000. Next, what is outside situated at Ajmer means 40% of salary. Salary is 2,17,220 into 40%. How much? 86,000. 86,800. 888. Simple. Okay. So whichever is this means this one. Correct? So nil and total taxable HRA is 24,000. That's all. If you solve out this much, you will get 7 marks. So rules ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಿಮಗೆ. Procedure ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ easy. They look into this. First one they look rent paid ಮತ್ತೆ 10%. Then 40%, 50% ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಧ. Okay? And basic salary. Salary ಎಷ್ಟು? Any doubts? In allowances, main allowance is HRA only. That is house rent allowance main. So after that we will go to perquisites. down next problem. Mr. M is appointed at Delhi. Mr. M is appointed at Delhi during the previous year. During the previous year, 2019-20. During the previous year, 2019-20, is entitled means is entitled for a basic salary of rupees 20,000 per month. Rupees 20,000 per month. Next line, bonus rupees 5,000. We should not take bonus. We should not consider for HRA. Next point, DNS pay 20% on basic salary. 20% on basic salary. Next point, entertainment allowance we should not take. Rupees 500 per month. Next, commission rupees 4,000. Or kotila. Based on the turnover of the kotila tagonangi. Next, besides, next point, besides, he receives HRA. He receives HRA rupees 2,000 per month. Rupees 2,000 per month. He paid rent rupees 3,400 per month. Rupees 3,400 per month. Okay. So here note we should write salary for the purpose of HRA, basic pay, DNS pay they have given, we should consider. Commission, bonus, entertainment allowance, all these three are nil. We should not take. Okay. So basic salary 20,000 into 12. How much? 2,40,000. Next, DNS pay 20% of 2,40,000. 48,000. Okay. Next, bonus we should not consider. Nil. Entertainment allowance nil. Commission also nil, because turnover, based on turnover they have not given, so nil. So total salary is 2,88,000. That's all. So even though they have given entertainment allowance, CCA, bonus, okay, commission, if they have given turnover we should take. If they have not given anything we should not take. So what is actual HRA received? HRA is 2,000 800. See, in this case, rent is greater, right? Rent is greater. So, what is the difference? What is the difference? Minus money. 12,000 we should consider. Getting right? If rent is more than 10% of salary, then we should pay. Next, actual HRA received is 24,000 and house is situated at Delhi. So 50% of salary. What is the salary? 2,88,000 into 50%. 1,44,000. Whichever is less. Whichever is less here. This one, right? So 12,000 we should deduct from HRA 24,000. So taxable portion of HRA is 12,000. Clear, right? So HRA, if the give HRA problem, we can do, right? 7 even for 7 marks or 3 marks. Okay, thank you. Any doubts? Students, online students? Understood, right?
Once if a third point bucket is not visible, 50% of salary.
Now, 50% of salary if the house is situated at Delhi. In this case, house is situated at Delhi. Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Calcutta, if the 4 metropolitan cities were given, then we should take 50% of salary. So salary is 2,88,000 into 50%, 1,44,000. Getting right? If it is not situated in these 4 places, then we should take 40%. Yes?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.